Hello, future unit owner. Sawa ka na bang magrenta or kaya naman naghanap ng rento-on property along Pasig City? Saktong-sakto to para sa'yo. Let's do a virtual tripping for Urban Decamps Ortigas. Along Ortigas Avenue, Extension, Barangay Rosario, Pasig City. Let's go! Meron tayong existing na mga promos for direct pag-ibig financing or kaya naman direct din na bank financing. As low as 10,000 cash out lang, pwede ka nang makakuha ng sarili mong property. And you can move in as early as 1 month once approved ka na. Pinakamurang property ito sa loob ng Ortigas. Lifetime ownership and meron ka pang clean title. Ang maganda pa dito, hindi ka na mahihirapan dahil developer assisted na ang process ng housing loan mo. Less hassle, 'di ba? Gamit mo at ikaw na lang ang kulang. Meron tayong mga ready for occupancy na units and we also have pre-selling units. Very affordable dahil sobrang baba ng ating monthly amortization. Sobrang flexible pa ng payment terms. Napakadali lang ng requirements and at the same time, easy loan approval process pa. Tutulungan pa kita sa paghanda ng requirements dahil meron tayong pre-qualification process bago ka mag-acquire ng sarili mong unit. Iga-guide din kita sa ating buong process tulad ng inquiry, reservation, loan approval process hanggang sa move-in process kasama mo ako sa iyong journey. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. I'll give the best option para sa'yo. Send me a message now for free site tripping. See you on site.